Hey, hello my friends. My name is Ismail. I'm from Indonesia and now I'm staying in Saudi Arabia. In this night, I'll be playing about the zippo letter. The zippo letter is the famous letter come from the United States, America. Okay, first of all, first time I'll be open in front of you like the people of our village, I mean Indonesians. That open slowly and fly. This one letter. Okay. I have many ways to open the zippo letter. Just now when I try and I show you the first time. And the second one you can see. This one you can try with slowly with this way. Yes. And this layer, the ring finger should be laid here. Okay. And the second way, like we are throw the letter to person, but we are get it and we light it also. Like this one, fly and light. Okay, like fly, light. This one is second way. And also I have the other way when the try our skin that's strong or durable also. You can see my watch and also my skin. See the staple thumb will be open. Okay, like this one and fly. Again, open and fly. Okay, and also I have the another way, like this one samurai and open it and close like this one. Okay, in this night maybe you can see another way when I playing the CPU. Okay, thank you much for your video me in this night and beloved the zippo letter. Bye bye. Oh! Hey! Hey!